Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Yeovil, and I'm going to show around this fantastic Mercedes-Benz GLC. This car's packed full of great features, including parking assist, there's collision prevention assist, you also get 18-inch alloy wheels and electronic tailgate. But inside the car you've got leather interior. The car also features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, you've got Bluetooth and also cruise control. But let me show you one of my favourite features. So the front seats are heated and you can control their position electronically via these buttons on the door. And the seats have position memory. Superb car that's done less than 4,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please visit us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.